Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to do angle addition postulate. So this right here is andymath.com. And I'll type in angle addition postulate. And here it is right here. So we're going to do this page. So here's angle addition postulate. Here's some notes, some questions, and some answers. So the idea of angle addition postulate is if you have two angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 will equal the whole thing. So ABC plus DBC equals the whole ABD. That's the angle addition postulate. And we'll just do 3 of these problems. So for number 1, it says ABC equals 32 and CBD equals 70. What is ABD? And I'll copy this over here. And we can draw in here. ABC is 32. So this right here is 32. CBD is 70. So this is 70. So now to get ABD, we're just going to add them. So angle ABD equals the 32 plus the 70, which is 102 degrees. And that is the answer to the question. And we can check it. Yep, 102 degrees. So now we can look at another one, number 3. So the difference here is they're giving us ABD, which is the whole thing, is 112. And CBD is 65. And they want to know what is ABC. Well, that's just this angle here. And the way we get that is we're going to say 112 minus 65. And that'll give us the smaller one. I'm going to use a calculator. And that gives us 47 degrees. So ABC is 47 degrees. Yep, it's 47 degrees. And last, we'll do one of these with the x's in it. So we'll do number 4. So they're telling us ABC is 2x plus 5. So this right here is 2x plus 5. And CBD is 5x plus 10. So we're going to add these together. So to get ABD, it's 2x plus 5 plus 5x plus 10. We're going to add the two angles. Well, it's just combining like terms. 2x plus 5x is 7x, and 5 plus 10 is 15. And that should be the answer. And maybe I'll throw in a parentheses with a degree bubble. And that should be it. And that's right. So hope this makes sense. This is angle addition postulate. Check out andymath.com if you have any other math questions. You can just use the search bar or find whatever you're doing. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.